For some time, many tasks in daily life have been controlled by artificial intelligence systems, created by humans to serve humans. For example, vehicles in city streets perform important functions by interacting with their surroundings. And smart homes respond autonomously to parameters set to increase domestic comfort. These innovations have been designed and produced to provide greater safety and well-being. Starting from the same considerations, the CHIP Unigas Research and Development Center has developed Facile, a technologically advanced system unique in the world that increases the effectiveness, safety and ease of managing burners of any power for both civilian and industrial use. This innovation makes the burner no longer a passive device, but an autonomous system that adapts to environmental and system variables, going far beyond existing adjustment devices. Facile is a system that makes burners smart, enabling them to autonomously adjust their power according to the user's needs, maintaining combustion always in an optimal condition of safety and efficiency, and ensuring an oxygen content of close to 3% in the fumes, with zero or negligible carbon monoxide levels. How is all this possible? Like an artificial intelligence system, Facile is equipped with sensors that continuously record and communicate information to the control center, which reacts in relation to the variation of the data. For each change of conditions in the environment or system, Facile adjusts the fuel air supply in order to maintain constant optimal combustion. This advanced sensor system, which constantly detects variations in the density of the fluid media in relation to pressure and temperature changes, corrects and adjusts the fuel-to-oxidant ratio with the utmost precision based on environmental and process variables, such as the altitude of installation, air temperature, gas temperature, gas pressure, boiler back pressure, and combustion head positioning. Acquisition of the fluid mass flow rates allows immediate knowledge of the power burnt and access to useful data for the process. With Facile technology, burner commissioning times are drastically reduced, on average by 80%. During commissioning, the operator simply follows the instructions provided by the system and then validates the environmental emission data.